Hey, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of doing all on Bumble. You click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will click on Bumble app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget